So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on system. Now we're going to find activation. We're going to scroll down. Here it is, you're going to find activation. You're going to click on this. And now you're going to click on troubleshoot. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it'll try to fix it for you. You could also contact support to get help. And there might be a chance that your activation key is not genuine. So you can go to the store and then purchase a genuine one. Also, if you recently changed your hardware on your device, then you're going to click on this and then follow through the steps. Hopefully this will not fix your problem. For the second method, where it says change product key, you're going to click on change. Now once this comes up, try to type in your product key again, because maybe you typed it in wrong before. So just try it again, see if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in slmgr.vbs space /ATO. Click on enter. See if that works for you.